Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Yeah, so if this is the first time you're at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not an entertainment channel. You know, entertainment channels give you a average between 10 to 15 minutes. This is not an entertainment channel, so you have to go elsewhere if you want entertainment. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, mama, papa, side chick or side man, and tell them to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you will gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allows you to explore contents that complies with laws, rules and regulations while avoiding disruption to our channel's functionalities. Douglas Chambers, who was killed by PMP criminal organization members, and it came from the top, and to date the person who have given that order has not been arrested and charged for that murder. So you can go to Patreon and you'll be able to see the face and name of those persons. So thanks for your continued support, and we look forward to providing you with exceptional content. So moving on to today's video. Yes, today you're going to hear about a story in which it's going to shock every nerves in your body. Yes, this is a case where some police, this is a policeman who used to work at motorized patrol, sharing some information with us about a robbery committed by other police officers that work at motorized patrol, robbing a Bahamian over 1,000 keys. You know, some people say kilo of, you know, the white lady. You understand? Some people call it Diet Coke. Rob the Bahamian drug dealer. These are police officers who were friends with this man. Rob him of his cocaine, rob him, imprison him, and eventually killed him. And the same police officers, they had killed another police officer who was a part of the robbery. His name is Sparks in Clarendon. So you're going to hear from this policeman. Yes, we don't, as we tell you over here, we allow the witnesses to give testimony. You understand? We do, and in most cases, some cases we'll let the audience, let you people, you will listen, you will watch, you will listen, and you will decide. As you know that we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we hate criminals with a passion. Yes, and also criminal, some police officers are criminals too. And as we have reported before, most of our enemies are police officers, surprisingly. We have a few, we have criminals out there who hate us too. And the reason why some of them hate us is because we could not be bought. You understand what I'm saying? Yes, we could not be bought. So, and another thing too, if you don't play along with them, because most of the criminals in Jamaica, yes, based on where I've worked and my experience, they are affiliated with the PMP criminal organization. I have little or little or zero interaction dealing with a labor right when I was a police officer. Just listen what I'm saying. I had little or zero interaction dealing with a labor right when I was a police officer. So majority, 99.9% of the interaction that I had with criminals and criminality are people who are affiliated with the PMP criminal organization. So you know, we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel are deeply concerned about corruption within the Jamaica Constabulary Force, because say once the police force is corrupted, say that's the roots of law enforcement, enforcing the laws in Jamaica. And once that is corrupted, the branches is gonna spread like an octopus. So particularly regarding promoting corrupt and criminal elements within the ranks. Corruption within law enforcement undermines the rule of law, erodes trust, public trust, and have serious consequences for the society as a whole. And we can tell you that Major Anthony Anderson, the fake, I won't say fake because he wasn't certified, the fake commissioner of police, he's the one who is responsible for promoting the most corrupted police officers. Let me repeat myself. Of all of the fake commissioner of police, Major Anthony Anderson had promoted the most corrupted police officers. We are telling you about from drug dealers, robbers, hitmen. Yes, we are telling about hitmen. We are talking about police who get paid for kill people, and even police who are investigating say this police is behind it. And case in point, and we are case in point, and we are telling you now. I want to care because we don't like criminal police, We are telling you now, a case in point. Let me just drag a memory. Let's go back to a case in St. Thomas where a policeman one early morning went to St. Thomas along with two men from Kingston 13, Unanswered police here, and they killed a man. That policeman and those two and the two men, they were sent. It was an hit that they were sent by a policeman, and that same policeman who was at Unanswered was transferred from Unanswered to Maypen police station, and he's now an inspector of police. He was promoted. Yes, we can call him name, know him, and we know him as a hard worker, but anytime people now start to get corrupted and money involved and become hitman, so they are not police anymore. I don't see them as any police officer anymore as a worker. I see them as a criminal. And he knows himself and I know him. I know that some people who knew him and work with him, when I had said it in a group, everyone just become silent because, that's how it is. You understand? People are afraid to tell people, to call out people when they commit crimes or anything like that. But, we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we don't hold no water. We don't carry water for anyone. So that is why, the reason why, crime is such a severe problem in Jamaica is because of the police. The criminals are getting help from the police and even being robbed by them. And even killed too. Police officers, You understand? That there are several allegations made against us. They are not true. But people just try to they try to smear our names and they try to use all kind of things. So you got to understand that you have police that hated me, criminal police, and then you have criminals who hated me because I am calling out their friends. You understand? So to those who have contacted us about corrupt police officers and have evidence or information about corrupt activities within the Jamaica Constabulary Force, it is crucial to report them to the appropriate authorities such as IPROB or Narcotics Division. And look here, honestly, as I've said before and I'll say again, there's an assistant commissioner of police in the Jamaica Constabulary Force whom, yes, and when I say this now, I don't normally say this thing publicly. I haven't had a dialogue with this man in decades, but I can tell you that I trust this man with my life, and his name is MacArthur Sutherland. He has been transferred from IPROB to Era 2 in Era 2 Police Headquarters in St. James. So I would advise anyone, if you have any form of police corruption and you want to report it, But he's the only person that I would trust to report such police officer or officers to that man. I'm not saying that the other police officers who are there, who are at iProbe, are not honest, ethical, and decent police officer. I'm not saying that. I'm just talking about in the commissioner's rank. You know, you have assistant commissioner, deputy, and then the commissioner. I'm just talking about the rank of commissioner. I knew other officers who are ethical, decent, and straightforward police officer. And I know, yes, I can tell you, like Detective Inspector Ruben Gunter at Unspear, good police officer, Ruben. I'm not a thief, that's why I'm not getting a promotion. I tell you that. You have another detective named Emford Wade at Unspear too, good police officer. These are police officers that you can share information with. They are not compromised. And I can call others. Some people say that when I'm doing this, I'm trying to get these people promoted. No, I'm not. These are information that I'm passing on to the Jamaican people about the people them that you can trust within the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Because you don't know, it's not every police officer who wear uniform or a police officer. Some of them are criminals. I am telling you that. And I say it without any apology. Some people, oh boy, I try to mash up the force. We not mash up the force. We are telling people the truth. Look here. I know of cases in where people have lost their life because I've seen police officer ask Assistant Commissioner of Police Derek Cowboy Knight to a mother and her pregnant daughter at Cockburn Pen because of money. I mean, I tell you that. So, hey, look here, man. You know, I am very, very passionate when it comes on to Jamaica and the corruption within the police force. You understand? You know, you cannot, on God's earth, like even right now, I am telling you, like even East Kingston, I have family out there, I have, people who live in Kingston Eastern Police Division, and I would never tell them if they know any information to share it with Colin Mackenzie, because I know that the man is not only tainted, but the man is a criminal, active criminal in a uniform and in charge of investigating crime. So you're going to expect a better police force when you have all of these criminals all over in a police force. You have a detective inspector named Philip that the man epitome of an honest police officer. And he's my inspector because he's a thief and he's not a godfather. Colin Mackenzie have godfather, which is DCP Richard Stewart. This is a man who thief. This is a man who thief one tank of gas in a Unspear police station and sell the people them gas, and then in return the owner for the gas for the tanker have to pay money to get back his own truck, and the man never commit no crime. And these are people in charge of the police force. That's why we tell you the fake commissioner of police and promote the most criminal police officer. We see them, we understand. We see the corrupt police them, but we tell you once you're affiliated with people who are commit crime. I remember Richard Stewart, DCP. Was very, very close to Walde. You understand? Even Walde brother that was killed. Some people at Cockburn say, boy, a reason. We're not even. Anyway, so moving on. So, as we tell people, so yeah, it's good. We in our age now, our technology. Please, record these thieving police officers. Yeah, man, record them. Hey, look here, when I don't because one guy like we, because of them we want to forget that. Once we have a better police force, we have a better Jamaica. We know so the root of the problem now with the 63 people. And because some people political connected, them get promotion. Yes, we tell you. Yes, man, married within the family. Criminals. I tell you. You know what I mean? So because somebody, a politician, means nothing corrupts like them. 63 people in Jamaica a problem in a parliament. Yeah, so detailed information and evidence can help ensure appropriate actions are taken to address the issue and hold those responsible accountable. Additionally, raising awareness about the issues within your community and advocating for reforms to address corruption within the Jamaica Constabulary Force can be necessary steps toward promoting accountability and integrity within the police force. We at the Jamaica Young Police Channel feel strongly about combating corruption within the police force by working together and taking proactive steps to address the issue. We can contribute to efforts to promote transparency accountability and ethical conduct within law enforcement agency. The situation is troubling and highlights serious issues within the Jamaica Constabulary Force and the justice system. When those who are entrusted with upholding the law engage in criminal activities such as robbery, imprisonment and murder, it undermines the very fabric of society and erodes public trust in law enforcement. Individuals who have been victimized by corrupt police officers or any other criminal elements within law enforcement must report such incident to the appropriate authorities such as IPROB or the Narcotics Division, depending on the nature of the crime. I know a few police officers at narcotics. Yeah, I may tell you straight up on them thing there. I wouldn't. May I tell you, yeah. So she can. I would not send some people to a certain police officer at narcotics. Reason being, because them sympathetic to people where them know who are criminal, and she know herself. You understand? She know herself. You know. I don't know. People do things for various reasons, but that's me and them thing. I don't do things because I want nobody to like me. But I know police officers who work on narcotics who are ethical, decent, and them police are not compromised. While you have other police officers who work there, I would not, although them a part of the management, I would not send people to go to them because they are no longer say them compromised, but they are sympathetic to people who commit crime, especially people who are them like them. Like for me and them thing, if you're a thief. If you're a thief, I mean, no, hear them thing there. Me can't like you as a thief or them thing there. Me I go out, you understand? I just me that. I mean, now I go protect you. Period. But so some people stay on them thing there. You know, they rather to protect the thief than the whistleblower or the person who, you know, willing to expose them. I just saw it go. You understand? So reporting these crimes not only help ensure accountability and justice for the victims, but also send a message that law enforcement agency will not tolerate such behavior. Additionally, it can contribute to the effort to reform and improve policing practices to prevent similar incidents from occurring in the future. However, it is essential to acknowledge the complexities involved in reporting crimes committed by law enforcement officers, as fear of retaliation or a lack of trust in the system can deter individuals from coming forward. Addressing these challenges required a concerted effort from both authorities and society to create an environment where victims feel safe and supported in reporting misconduct. As you know, so the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we just don't like thieving police. I just read that. Period. As we say, I will continue to say before, the police, you're not supposed to collect money to kill people. That is not policing, that's a criminality. You're not supposed to rob people of them drugs. If somebody are dealing with drugs, your job is to arrest them, not to rob them. But there are so many police officers committing many robberies. You understand? And them fees of them escape because them not arrested and charged. Some of them get promotion because what? Them give the higher people who are in the higher echelon in the police force, they get them their cut. Yeah, just like in the case of Bud Spencer and Gilroy. Yeah, that pussy Gilroy from Mar Valley, the detective, that Dodos had sent him and Bud Spencer and three other men from Tivoli Gardens to rob cocaine. And Bud Spencer had given Reggie Grant, allegedly give Assistant Commissioner of Police Reggie Grant $1 million not to be reverted and put back in uniform. And Gilroy refused to give him any and then put back Gilroy in a uniform. That's how it going. So them rob and then the police don't shake them down. The man in charge of the detective them in a police force, I shake them down for money or I put them back in a uniform. So a thief from thief, God laugh. All that, boy, I may tell you. So police officers who engage in such actions fall outside the boundaries of lawful behavior. So, and we are categorize them. They are corrupt police officers. They abuse their authority for personal gains, robbing a citizen, even a drug dealer, is a crime. Because whether or not you want to believe it, most people don't understand. A drug dealer is an entrepreneur. Everything we do is a risk involved. Yes, it's a risk because to be an entrepreneur, you have to indulge in the capitalist system. You have to take risks. So that's why a drug dealer is an entrepreneur, is a businessman or a businesswoman. But it's just that their business is illegal. I hope you understand that. Because some people, them not get it and say, want to be an entrepreneur. It's a business. If you you will learn them things if you when it come on to when you're in a certain level of government and them thing there, you learn them thing there. So drug dealers, them a business person because they at risk, several risks, and their risk is even. That's why their product is more expensive than the one that legal on the market because of risk were involved. That's why people, in a community and them thing there, people who are drug dealer, people, especially in Jamaica, and I get to them, look up to people them where because them know say the risk for them take for make the money and them to make the money. That's why people look up to them and want to become a drug dealer because the risk because of fast money. But in I see them now, they would never look up to a little man or a woman who have a little style. We sell ice, biscuit and all of these things. They won't look up to them because the risk that they're taking is not significant as a drug dealer. And the profit will never be anywhere close to the drug dealer. So you know that these cops, they are road cops. These officers disregard police procedures and law entirely. They operate outside the legal system and are a danger to the public. It don't really matter what their rank are. Yeah, them are just danger. These are dirty cops. This is a slang or term for corrupt police officer involved in criminal activities. Police brutality, the killing of the drug dealer, even if he was a criminal, is considered police brutality because it wasn't justified or self-defense because them kill him, and then kill him because I said them just kill him because they want to silence him. Then them kill a fellow police officer who was a part of the robbery. Yeah man, murder, kill him. You understand? Regardless of circumstances, the whole of them are criminal, and them kill him. But it's not the really police, them hire one ex-soldier to kill him. And then it's the same Chucky Brown now kill the same ex-soldier. Chucky Brown at that prison, a GP, yes. So planting evidence, officers might have fabricated charges to justify arresting the drug dealer and then rob him of during the arrest. So what really happened here now, them thing there with this drug dealer? He had known. And we can delve deep back in a deep as we can delve deep and in a chronological order all this thing. I tell you boy, I know how them do it. You understand? So such behavior is not a representative of most law enforcement officers. There are strong internal investigation and disciplinary action in place to deal with corrupt police officers. So look here. You have I'm going to show you this now. So you have even police officer that I have known, young police officer, because I'm seeing a police officer them who work a certain anti-corruption section of the police force. And guess what? You say I'm a police officer, them don't want nothing to do with me. So yeah, reason being, them say me chat too much of them thing there. So you investigate corruption, I mean or me chat too much. So let me say you that's what I will tell you, yeah, even people that you have to be careful who you report things to, because I would imagine that even when I was a detective, I would appreciate people who share information with me that help me to solve crime. But apparently some of them don't know that, because you talk about them friend, or you understand, or you talk account to them, you talk the things. Oh, we don't care, because hey, when a business, I will just tell you as it is. I just saw it go. You understand? So, as law enforcement officers, they must serve and protect the community. But what happens when those serve to uphold the law break it themselves? So, we're telling now of this shocking incident that came to light involving cops stationed at Motorized Patrol Division in Kingston, Jamaica, robbing 1,000 key of coke from a Bahamian man who was friends with these cops. So that's why we tell people, say, if you are a criminal and you have police officer around you, say, them know say you commit crime and you do all kind of thing and them close to you and them involved in them thing. You have some police officer, they will be around someone, and them they're around the person, but them not involved in what they're doing. You understand? So it's not every police officer that. But if somebody is of an unscrupulous character, like people involved in a crime and it is known, you're supposed to know that as a police officer. But like somebody who, like a man, grew up with them thing, you can't deny people where you grew up with, I just saw it go on them thing, and if them want to go left, there's nothing that you can do about it. Because most people are involved in drugs, them involved in a music thing. Because that's how them music launder them money. So most of the time, them will tell people say music them, Them will keep stage show, them keep dance and all kind of things. So that's how them use and mask them thing. You understand? So as I tell you now, so them rob this Bahamian man who was friends with these cops. I see him police, where him and the Bahamian man, him and them close, having boat all out of Port Royal and all kind of thing, and him and them rob the man. So one of the officers involved paid the ultimate price. That's how one name Sparks. Yeah, name Sparks. Yeah, man, Sparks. And them kill him at one dancer, Clarendon. You understand? As I tell you before, yeah, them hired the ex-soldier to kill him. And Chucky Brown, Chucky Brown with our GP, and Chucky Brown kill him. Because they see him soldier, ex-soldier, disrespect Skendang, and say, Skendang and Chucky Brown, Godfather. You understand? So when he was killing connection with the robbery by members of the same robbery team, then the same police, after them killed the man, the policeman, they went to his home and robbed the dead cop of $25 million in cash. And when I say alleged, because this come from evil police officer and detective working at Clarendon. Yes. So the investigation led us to Tivoli Gardens, a notorious neighborhood with deep-rooted connections to organized crime. It was there that the stolen drugs were believed to be stashed, hidden and distributed. Yeah, Tivoli Gardens. So this case has shaken the entire police force and raised questions about the integrity of our officers. These police officers even went as far as to kill the man whom they robbed. So we must hold ourselves accountable and ensure that justice is served. So in this eye-opening video, a motorized patrol cop reveals the shocking truth behind the scandalous cop robbery involving 1,000 keys of coke. The story takes a dark turn as one of the cops involved in the heist is brutally murdered. Unravel the web of corruption and deceit as the connection to Tivoli Gardens is revealed. So don't miss out on this gripping account of betrayal and crime within the ranks of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. So stay tuned for jaw-dropping revelation and in-depth analysis of Tivoli Gardens saga. So Constable Sparks, who people would think that he was a dedicated police officer, in which he was not. He was a criminal in a uniform from the motorized patrol division, found himself in a dangerous game. He was unknowingly set up by his own criminal police officers in the patrol division for a robbery involving 1,000 keys of coke. Constable Sparks was betrayed by those he trusted the most as the events unfold. His criminal cop friends from the patrol division turned against him, leading to a tragic end. So what was missing from this man was his loyalty and dedication to the police force. Yeah, Constable Sparks met his demise at the hand of those who were supposed to have his back. But as usual, there is no honest criminal. The setup and the betrayal left a deep scar on the police force and avoiding the hearts of his fellow officers who thought that Constable Sparks was an honest police officer, but later found out that he was a thief in uniform. The loss of Constable Sparks serves as a stark reminder of the dangers that lurks within law enforcement, especially those who indulge in criminal activities. It is a cautionary tale of how power and greed corrupt even noble intentions. In the end, Constable Sparks' memory symbolizes sacrifice and betrayal by his friends who are criminals in uniform. His legacy serves as a warning to all those who wear the badge and indulge in criminal activity, reminding them to stay vigilant, steadfast, accurate, and true to their oath. That once you betray your oath of office and your badge, you're no longer a police officer, you're a criminal in uniform. That's why they don't like me, irrespective of your rank. So as we delve into the story of Constable Sparks, a criminal police officer in uniform from the Motorized Patrol Division who met a devastating end at the end of his colleague who hired exposure. The betrayal set up, orchestrated by his criminal cop friends from Patrol Division, result in his untimely death after being involved in a robbery of 1,000 keys of coke. Yeah, we know, say, this is the first Jamaican people I hear about this, you know. So dealing with corrupt police officers who abuse their powers for personal gain can be incredibly challenging and distressing. And we have to listen to it, because you're going to hear look here, when a bad man, well, you're going to hear so a bad man I'll even drug dealer now. But we're not here, we just don't like people who are corrupt on them things, because you have to understand still, you know, we're going to tell each and every person. And no matter how much wealth you make from drugs, we can't tell you this. You see people is indulging us cocaine. People who sell coke. Them end always bitter. I mean, nobody will sell coke where them sick and dead. Them always dead violently. You understand? Even if whether them crash or dead, but most time it's always a gun that kill them. Because you have to understand, you know, when you sell coke, you destroy other people's life. You destroy families. You know, although some people will see it, say, boy, I'm not care because money I make. But you see that eye water people, them, the family members, them cry. That eye water, when that no matter if you say because it drop on the person, chips are run on them cheek, it just go like that. Because there's a God, you know, I tell you that. You have people who believe in a redemption. You know, people who used to sell coke, and after a while, and you know, them realize and them say, no, sir. I tell you, them, them now have nothing to do with people who sell them things, because the people who never sell coke, you know, they're just like the addict who take the coke, you know. In time them have it, you know, them can't sleep either, you know. We are telling that. So we want you to watch, you listen and you decide, because you're going to hear from a police officer. Yeah, man. A police officer who used to work at Motorized Patrol in Kingston, telling you of these police officers. And you're going to hear names. Some people are going to shock. Even you're going to hear even Bounty Killer name. But there's no, Bounty Killer is not involved in any drug dealing. But we still want you to listen. And you will get the full picture of what happened and who's involved. So you watch, you listen, and you decide.
What, in the house nearby Dennis?
Oh, yes. That I better keep black and white. Him not live in America.
Yeah, man, you have a barber shop and thing in front of Central Police Station too.
Dennis, wait. He not talk anything. He not talk much on them thing.
All of them, man. You know Dennis, you know Mooney, you know Rifle, you know all of them, man. Wanted British world. Wow. I mean, I watch a thing with Bujo. The first time I get to deal up with Bujo in 2000, you know, with that Motorized.
Yeah.
Police, the name Mad Max, scare me up a Bujo. For Bujo yard up already. It's them time they birthday party.
Wait. Mad Max is dead now?
Yeah, man, I'm watching my kill Mad Max, man. I see Mad Max are dead on YouTube, man. The news, man, in Jamaica and the Tivoli excursion, man.
In the dead on Tivoli?
No, they shoot him up a Mountain View. They ambush him and kill him and a policeman in a Mountain View, man.
Oh, wait, who them call? Hernandez, you call Mad Max, don't it?
No, man. Enrique is in there, man.
Then him, man. Enrique is him, the same man, me attack, man. Brother-in-law, man. Him used to the eradication.
We have a club, too. We have a club. He smoke hard.
And him always a smile. Him used to have the gas pouring out at Elliston Road.
Enriquez, man. Yeah, man. The day I'm watching news, this is a Mad Max and ambush and kill, man.
So you say him make you know about John him thing there?
Yeah, man. One time I go Budge birthday party in 2000. I don't remember what time in 2000, but I must have Budge in 2000 go Budge party there, man. Yeah, man. Me and him the road. I was the observer and he was the driver.
So what money there and him thing there?
Where?
What party?
The party going good, man, and not food and drinks, man, and soup and thing and liquor around, man. Mad Max was a outline, man, a outline. I mean, a real outline.
It was a corrosion.
Yeah, it was a outline, man, rough. I ain't no shooting at them, speedy night, you always want to go there.
Yeah, him all eradication police, you know.
I tell you, if in the Ellison road, and he shot a fire with no road. I don't know if he knew him. Flying going down the mountain, he always around. He always want to go and shoot him.
Yeah, man, I saw him still, man. A brother-in-law, them call him still, you know, Charlie, he did marry to Fim's sister, you know what though?
Huh?
Charlie, he did marry to Enrique's sister, you know.
Who?
Charlie Hill, one boss the police where you see that eradication, man. Pretty boy, he used to do with
I pick up just up.
yes, he was detective. He used to do with artist. He used to do with artist Brown.
A light skin brother.
No, I'm a light skin, him dark, but a good looking brother. I want good looking brother and them thing there.
I know Max, man, and when Max are work, we can't go out unless a Max me on good. Max not let me out. Yeah, man.
So him a nanny and a friend too?
No, Max never did depend that, you know. Like Max having business, they go club and thing when he used to go, and that is the type of man he was.
Yeah.
But them men for motorized, man, some of them men and them used to move good. Parks and them, Parks, I think Parks get shot and dead, you know.
Oh, yeah, hey, but hey, guess what? Boys, you talk about Parks, you know. You know, so you know about the robbery of the over 1,000 key of coke where the man in my patrol.
Yeah, man, my squad was in that, man. One of my squad was in that.
And you know, say I saw Sparks they do.
You know about that, man. You know all about that. Who get shoot up after that and everything. You know the whole thing, man. The night when that happened, I was on the road and me, the man said the F-150 flying fast. When up catch it out, I must have a run about that. That's how
when them go to Portugal, go rob the man and them. But the man and them was friendly by him and man.
Go there. Now stop the vehicle and the vehicle drive left them half one view road, man.
Yeah, but the brother when them robbing over 1,000 key of coke and them thing there. You did know him? The brother from Barbers.
The man in the F-150 who then get, right? When they have some in the F-150 and carry them after that, go show them who shot the rest there.
But a Sparks, where other police name where they drive the van, the police vehicles?
I want to squad here. He left the work after that. Patrick, there's a whole set of them that was in that. There's about 3 to 4 red car man them intercept that. And each red car have 2 persons.
This one named Rowan Wilson involved in it too.
I feel them well, man. I feel them well in that.
And I want to tell you, and the mastermind, the mastermind that do.
Oh, Harry?
No, man, the mastermind have connection to him and the Tivoli, man. You don't know who?
Oh, Harry Bungles?
No, man. And him used to I want him always up at Art of Vision, man. A big mo the same brother when you say I'm a real admiral, man. Him used to that patrol there.
But when was one of the squad was in that night? I named Patrick.
Do you turn him Ennis, man? Ennis I main man behind it, you know?
Who, brother?
Yeah.
But when I said the man and they should give back the thing, man, and they never give back, and that's why they kill him, man. No. Get killer.
So the man them use immigration and make them lock up him, man. Take the man out of prison, you know, and kill him, you know. And the police will kill the man, end up get 6 years of prison for it. You never know that?
And it used to be the man on patrol, you know. He was the boss down there, you know. Braga, yeah, man, Braga was a constable, but he was a powerful one.
But all them do it and them thing, all them do it.
Huh?
All them do it. Because that's how them get rich and them thing, you know, from the coke business and them thing. All them do it.
Oh, Braga used to do, you know, he's in charge of bounty to man, bounty is a move good and thing, man.
So bounty involved in like coke business too?
Well, I don't know, no. I don't know about that. But I know Braga, you know, the music thing, and he used to have a show and follow the around thing.
Because I never hear of, killer involved in like but me know same used to bodyguard the man them thing. I say, cause me know, I say, all the man that do it and them thing that every day they run a man and dollar man yard and you know the life, you know what I'm saying?
But Braga was not normal constable, man. Braga used to just do what he want to do. But never used to interview with Braga. Enough things go on, man. Enough things. But more trials, those are different places. You know, you have to watch it long as up.
Yeah, man, they will get killed, man.
Because my brother was there too.
Is an ex-soldier them use kill Sparks, you know, shot him through one fence and him dance, you know.
Yeah, and not lying down.
And the guy must got thief $25 million in a cash after they kill him.
How much?
$25 million in a cash.
But you used to have a place out of Harborview too, you know. You used to have a place out there too. Sparks used to have a place out of Harborview too. Yeah, man. Los Sparks was doing wet money, make money. He come like I make the most money out of it.
No, so, them say Ennis make the ball come on. Because Ennis was the man where him get Dwight Moore for buy the court them. Dwight Moore, the brother who won World Tron.
Oh!
I am by the Koke, you know.
But you have a next more than the two now. You should all for construction too, you know. You have a next more you said about the thing where no for them police to move with, you know. But in those construction.
I see a more man, Dwight Moore.
And the man, no man, the more I tell about you should do only for construction, man. Dwight Moore used to do Kia. I think a Kia vehicles used to do also.
Yes, a crossroad.
No, we know Dwight Moore, man. But you have a next more, man, a next one. We used to do construction, man, build up whole apartments and big building and thing, man. Enough police used to move with him too. He really big, you have money, you have real money. I'm thinking of a brother named Doc. We used to have Miami. Doc.
And Christopher Moore.
Yeah, what kind of boy is he, boy? But he big in the, I mean, kind of move funny, cock off his finger and like a shooter too. Yeah, man. But him and no police just move. He have a license gun and thing, come on. And then him and Flipper Mafia used to move good too.
Boy, Flipper Mafia roll upon a whole heap of people. All them woman, boy, the man is easy though, you know.
Flipper used to move good too. Then you have this other youth here. Enough of them used to move, man. Plenty of them doing that. Another clip. But the one they had a more me know about used to do construction. The famous construction. But me know Nanny, man. Me know Nanny good, man. Nanny. Yeah, Nanny never really know war with nobody, you know. After spending years in prison, say he spent some time in prison in America, then he show me all I was going. Now, I used to sit down and read with them people, and I tell other people. Used to talk to me and tell me everything. And that's why I know so much. I could go any area, sit down with anybody, and talk to them and then tell me anything I want to know.
That's true, man.
That I tell you. People used to tell me everything, man. Remember this boy, I used to move good, real good, with Lucius Thomas, man. Originally, he used to do Portmore. They have a sound system along Olympic Garden too. So they have a pyro. Philly Blacks, so I want to call him.
Philly Blacks, yeah.
Yeah, man. He have license gun too, you know.
But you know, in the charge to shoot a man or youth in yellow.
Yeah,
man, a cowboy. I did lock him up, man. I'm a cowboy and a friend.
And
I saw a whole heap of things now start come up about cowboy, because man, I saw if you lock me up on me and mine and them thing there, you understand?
Cowboy a thief, man. Cowboy a thief and guns.
Yeah.
Cowboy is one thief and guns police.
Because Philly Blacks,
I tell him, I remember my inspector. Find my inspector, I tell her say he's one thief and guns police. Guns. You don't know your things for him. You don't know brain.
Arrogant bad man.
Brain, yeah. But you never used to interfere. He never used to entertain me. I don't know why I know about me, but he never used to come down here at all. He never used to come down here at all.
Man, the man used to work for the corporal. The man the arrogant, you know. The man they idiot still doing it. The man the thief, but they still, you know. And them the man the police was benefiting the man. Because the man the thief bad, you know, man.
You know, you used to have an ex-cowboy, you used to have a auto park place out of, which more lines road by Agri Park Road. And next one, young cowboy, you used to have an auto park place. A pure cowboy, it was in so way. You know that one there?
I think him have some connection at Portland and him involved in a coke business. Too.
Yes.
And him slim.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Him and Harry Bong is a friend, man. But anytime a man and Harry Bong is a friend, you know, say you have to stay far from them, you know, because you know, say a criminal, them, you know that.
Yeah, Bongos know me good. Bongos know me good, you know.
I mean, Bongos, man, them say Bongos eat me like pies.
Bongos, man. Bongos just last Spanish on nice escalate them time. They used to have a product, you know. You have a BMW too. Yeah, man, them time I drive around, you have an M16 car by them time there. Yeah, man, Bongos do some over the M16, man. I ride bike too, man. Bongos. I'm not going to know all I'm Bongos. Ask me to let them go, man. Plenty me know all I'm Bongos, because I'm not going to take them a break. Plenty.
One thing with him still doing it, man. No loyalty to nobody, you know.
Yes, sir. There are plenty people. Spanish Town, Moby, all over, I'm going to hold people and Bongos. Go and get me number, only God knows. Nothing call me. That's how I think used to go, man. Moby was a different place, too, you know. Moby was hell. Portland there, boy, I don't know now. Portland keep cool still because the amount of drugs man come from Portland and they're not really going nowhere out there. That kind of different, boy. Well, man, the Poker Road, them and I think one of them engine is on them. Barra, Frat, the whole crew. Shabba. It's a whole type of them come from Portland, man.
And Frat and...
Yeah, Barra and all of them. But they used to come in town and line. And party in town.
Everything that town it's at still low, you know. But you know, say the main thing in a Jamaica and them thing there, actually a Clarendon, you know, say a Rocky Point a capital for Jamaica when it comes on to transshipment or anything. You know that?
Yeah, we used to do a Clarendon, man. We used to do a lot of work on the Clarendon, and Clarendon different, man. That ain't a bad man like Marlon Taylor.
Want to Marlon?
I don't know that, but I know you get shot 9 foot and in that walk kind of funny. Marlon Taylor.
I think him have a sister dead the other day, you know.
But then now we don't go down at the strip, the illegal strip, the old strip where nobody used for a while.
Don't Clarendon.
Yeah, and then we also realize right there is a retired inspector of police have a big farm right there on the airstrip, literally, you know.
Yeah, man, that's our brother when him ID Cowan. I saw Marlon get in a trouble.
So you know I go and you have him farm and thing there. I say, all of this I go and
ID Cowan him. I saw Marlon get in a trouble and him charge him a Clarendon.
But me I tell you, them men used to go and let them know nothing. But I don't know how Juggernaut and them, man. I know them, man.
In there, you know.
I tell them, you know, them men real good. I mean real good. And you used to stay on my client, man, you know.
You know, so Juggernaut and Sean Paul, uncle, a big friend, though.
Why? Me about Sean Paul, people, them all the while.
You know, so Sean Paul have an uncle where used to work at Special Branch store. His name Enriquez.
Yeah, man. Yeah, boy, Enriquez.
Live out of Harborview. The good man still, but the man there is Special Branch, man. The man there is still not enough man like him still doing a Clarendon police.
But Clarendon different, man. Clarendon corrupt bad.
Big time, man. I know, man.
Clarendon is a different organization. Man, to go be a same way. Yeah, man, you said I'm Moby, I do work too, man. I tell them I go all over Jamaica. I'm Moby, I don't really watch Cowboy and realize a Cowboy a thief.
Boy, I know that long time, because my enemy said I once be on the pan team and them thing there.
Moby, I say the most thiefness with Cowboy, Moby. That time you used to have a bad old assistant commissioner there. Near Reggie Grant.
Oh, no, man, Reggie Grant are for them boss, man. Them can't do nothing wrong for Reggie Grant.
Reggie Grant the money in the last part is money Reggie Grant the make. Reggie Grant one will bring all the license gun holders. Anytime you enter the the license gun bring him to me. I will never forget that. You know, lock up a police. Well, he wasn't police anymore. Named Cunningham, Samuel Cunningham.
Yeah, you didn't tell me about him.
Yeah, man, because a big uproar down in a mobile. Everybody think he was a policeman still. Yeah, man have business and house all in West Gate Hills all over the place. Yeah, man, but mobile is a dirty place, man. Dirty. I won't tell about that, but there's plenty money down there. Plenty money moving up and down. Plenty. Yeah, man, and the jug got the right there. The police the right there. Nobody never know nothing. They always never know. But trust me, after a while they realized everybody was eating and living and eating food. So when you go down there from town, you're going to make trouble. It's problems are going to go because they never like me down the mobile, man. What? Come on the papers, man, and publish me. But I mean, the first big thing is when me and the sergeant named Parkins will get away. He make the newspapers in Mobile. I want to see Parkins become assistant commissioner after that. Yeah, man, Parkins want to take a prisoner from me, man. And I tell him he can't take that. Not going to happen. Parkins, man. Sergeant Parkins at the time. One crook. And everybody have him as a fish. Yeah, man. That time I have a lady named Miss Eva. She used to make breakfast for me and lunch and thing, dinner. She used to have a canteen down by the station there. She pulled me aside one morning and she tell me be careful. Yeah, causing too much trouble. She was a real one. She was like a mother to me, man. She was a mother to me. See her, man. Because everybody in a movie could tell about the local policeman.
Yeah, I think I used to do them things. Like,
what? Amnesty is vehicle, man. Like, oh, God. We get to know exactly who's selling and how shot they're selling. I want to realize the police and longer used to live a life. They used to enjoy themselves. Men like Ty and Judge, the whole of them. Yeah, man. They never really fight crime. Judge them have money making police done. And trust me, they know everybody. They don't feel like they don't know what's going on. Money, everybody know everything. It's money. It's never about justice or anything. It's money making place. Yeah. But when the men from mobile and anti-crime go down there and see me, it always cause a problem, no?
Yeah.
It always cause a problem. Yeah. Even this man, the man will lock up an extra diet.
Oh, Ramchan.
Yeah, man, hold on for Ramchan, man. Hold on for him with a Prado. Yeah. The license plate on the Prado wasn't for it, man. And Ramchan have so much license gun on that, I couldn't understand.
How am I license gun and him got a prison in America for drugs dealing before? Can you know, so yeah, man, he got prison already before, man, in America.
Well, Ramchan have everything now in Mobile, man. Ramchan own everything. Ramchan have everything. He have license gun everything. The first man who got on there and make money was Amos.
No, man, I think they did the first. My brother name Ellington, I first, man.
Yeah, but forget Ellington. Amos was one man who got on and get rich.
Oh, okay.
Ellington have money long time. Ellington have money long time. You don't know that, man?
Why the man hungry for money bad still, you know?
Ellington have money from us. From the car racket, all of them racket we used to do long before, man.
The man schoolboy, Richard.
And then they send him down a Mobile after that, and even better yet, he's a feeding tree. Mobile a feeding tree. But Mobile corrupt, man. Oh God, Mobile police, you can't trust them. Never. I get a joke. You have a woman down there named Minto.
Yeah.
I think she was an inspector.
Oh, I see them say make police. If she don't like it, she make you lose your work.
Well, get the joke now. She tried to come down the way and was missing me, not afraid about nobody. I never fear no foe. You see, some vehicle belongs to she and some family members. But I realize and I see the vehicle, man carry at the station. The police and never handing the tickets by the station. The police give back the vehicle to the people, man get rid of the tickets. And when I look, you see the same man we are charged back out on the road again with the same vehicle.
Hold on.
And mobile, what do you mean, man? Easy. If me write your ticket and me can hand in the ticket them at the station and bring in your vehicle and take them to the traffic police. All the traffic police do wait until they're gone and take up the ticket them and give back them on the vehicle. Yeah. So it used to go.
So okay, and so the system streamline when the man for you write a ticket, you can't take back that again, don't it?
No, you used to have a ticket book them time, the man.
Yeah, I remember still, but I never walk with them something because I'm busy with traffic.
So when you see a man vehicle charge him, you carry it on it into the traffic man, them would have record with the record and sending the rest. Right? And the traffic section get a copy and the court get a copy.
Yeah.
But if you hand it into the traffic man, all the traffic man does wait until they go on and dispose of that.
Oh.
That never go in the system.
I'm carry it back for record it and anything there.
Nah. I go smart now. That me tell him it's a thief and I'm a crook. And when he's meant to care, I tell the assistant commissioner at the time, I think, one of them was the assistant commissioner, saying one to see me. So I said, no problem. But then they met Mr. Ellington see me instead. So them I say, no, it's one of them, colleague, the inspector, and have I no problem? If I could see charge me. I said, no, I say, if she can make them charge me, make her family sue me. You get what I say?
Yeah.
So I don't know the system go already. So I never had no ticket. I give them their copy and I went to the court and give the clerk my report and statement, everything, and let them know exactly what took place with me and the police. So when you reach before the magistrate, everybody don't know what's going on already. You understand?
Yeah.
So, man, every one of them find them guilty. And every count. So now I ask how them I get back the vehicle. The lady a ball and I ask me how she get back the vehicle. I said, don't ask me, ask the court. The court will determine.
Yeah, I understand. That's true, man.
Man, they hit me like poison. They hit me like, oh God, they hit me like poison in my baby, man. They hit me bad, but we never care. Never care. I remember the last time when a detective come and ask me, say, hey, what you come here to do? You come here to make enemies or you come here to make friends? Yeah? We come down and move for.
So what you tell him? You come for work?
Oh God, man. Can't remember. Parkins incident, Ram Charan incident. Every time I come down, something always happen. Cunningham incident. Ex-police who will run and do drugs back and do all type of things. You like my police. Everything's the charge are uproar down there. And they know me, they ain't taking no talk. Me ain't taking no talk. So they try everywhere, man. They try everywhere. I remember one time Donald used to look at me and say, hey, be careful. Mobile St. James Constabulary Force is not the Jamaica. Yeah. It is St. James. St. James. Yeah, man. Al Marsh. You have a DSP named Marsh. Clean Marsh. He's one rat.
Oh, Clean Marsh.
Yeah, man. He's one rat, man. Rat. You see that town. You don't know what rank him is now.
You must see that soup, you know.
Maybe even further than that now. But he's one rat. And I let him know he's not let a crook. And he couldn't do me nothing. Because you was there for the crime. You have a matter with me before the court. Right?
Yeah.
The policeman named Cunningham with the gun and the money and thing where Reggie Grant didn't involve in the matter. But Reggie Grant never charged nobody in the matter. Me and man in the matter. The man never come to court. The judge give the warrant. Right?
Yeah.
We show the magistrate who are going already and tell him the whole scene with Marsh and everybody. And Marsh went on vacation and the police them arrest the man and bring him before the judge. And Marsh him never know nothing about it. So you're just in charge of crime and you detected the whole man who you have a matter with and they not tell you.
No, that not sound right.
No. I could be the in charge of crime. And the men under my command, all a man who have a matter with me before the court, and I leave and they don't inform me. You couldn't be no detective again.
True.
How? So we done here already. Who meet who give money, who pay up, and it's only the boy from town that get problems, which was me. Enough man called me and said for traffic. Let me tell him no. Tell them no. Let me tell you that man in the find out. He was give me the fastest Jeep, a 2-door Pyro, I think a V6 or V8. And one of the best driver named Ellington, I'll never forget him. And let me tell him, man, we reached down a mobile in less than 3 hours. What? We fly down mobile, man. Up to now, me have a warrant with a policeman. Up to now, me have it.
Yeah.
Up to now. I'm going to tell the judge everything in front of Marshall Wagwan. He hold on his head like a dog. And I tell the judge, I wouldn't expect him to turn up today. The accused will not turn up today. Because somehow he'll know that I'm here today and he will not turn up. So it's just to frustrate the system of justice. Marsh hold on his head like a dog.
Can't face yourself.
You know the judge give me the word. Yes, I have it up to today. I have it up to today, I tell you. Yes, because what they do, every time they know me come to court, the boy never turn up. And when they know, we're going back to Kingston now, they bring him before the judge and try to get it dismissed, that me not turning up. And nobody never inform me and tell me nothing. I'm mashed in the same thing with them.
That's my thief, man.
I mean, if mash a thief. Then that me tell him, I'm Mr. Pius, I shouldn't have said them things. I said, but you don't know the truth. If him is this in charge of crime and he don't know. He don't know.
Yeah,
if it was a newspaper thing.
I'm incompetent.
The man is not incompetent. The man is corrupt. Marsh is a brilliant guy. Marsh is not a dunce.
I know, man.
You hear me? He's real sharp. But the man crooked. And that's it. There's a difference between incompetence and crooked.
And thief, man. That's true, man.
Man is crooked. He's not a dunce.
Man, him never work still doing it.
I tell a cowboy, dunce right out. Dunce. Big dummy. Bigger than Bigfoot.
I say, man, dumb, sir.
Dunce. He don't have no intelligence. Hawks, same way. Oh, God have mercy.
Arrogant bad man.
He's not just arrogant, the man dunce. Don't give an exam, you can't pass it and listen cheat.
That's true, man.
I'm telling you, a lot of them are making time. Oh gosh, man. Tilford Johnson too. One dunce, but guess what? He's street smart.
Them man, they are hustler still though, you know.
Street smart. Common sense? Yes. Enough of them, man. Enough of them. And just watch them and laugh. They're never ready, man. Never ready. But that's supposed to remember me, man. Enough trouble with the man. That's supposed to know me.
I use my talk to him still, you know. But you know, say Buju Banton, you know, say this Christopher do the stroke save him life though.
Well, again, Dudus was the type of man is that once you're not touching, don't trouble him. You respect if you know you're not touch.
Because if I never him that Buju Banton them would Ziggs them would have killed him, you know, man. Buju I get
all I'm saying about Dudus. Dudus was a bad fella, we know that. But one thing I know about Dudus, if Dudus know you to be a clean fella, you're gonna tell him and then don't trouble. But if you take from somebody else and hold somebody to do this and do this half for you and you don't want to take, he will get rid of you. But once you know you to be a clean fella, it doesn't come around you. And it doesn't make him feel like that tell you. And that is certain enough. Once you know you to be an upstanding man, you respect you for that.
Because I make them say make them a kill dad. Because you understand.
Yeah.
So when him find out so Ziggs and Buju Banton tell Ziggs to kill dad, I want a female, you know, or somebody from Ziggs, you know, for them will go already on them thing there.
You know Zeke's, you know? You know Zeke's real good, you know? My family and Zeke's used to move real good, you know? And then the woman who me come and be with too. My family and Zeke's, them are same fix them, you know? So me know me I tell about them.
Yeah.
We could have walked in a Mattis lane anytime. And nobody not shoot at me. You know Zeke's. You saw a man with a big chat and honey.
I still doing that luck is still doing us a criminal, you understand? Imagine a man a plan for kill you and you not even know, and it's an ex-criminal save your life, you know?
Yo, one man them will kill you, you and the police will be going out on a patrol and you don't come back.
Yeah man, just like how them kill Courtney Simpson.
You know Pala?
Yeah man, him a DSP now.
Pala know me well, man. My Pala tell about me. Pala used to have mobile too at one point. Love chat and thing.
But then they kick him out of the force, you saw like phone and then get back to work and my deputy soup now.
Pala is Tilford boy. Where you for trouble Tilford boy? Tilford is the DCP in charge of operations. Huh? Tilford boy. Come on now, man. What you doing? Come on. You kick out Pala. How long I kick out Pala? When Tilford did it, Tilford got to see that Pala get back everything. It's just to keep the heat up on him until he get cool and come back. You know that's how the system run, man.
Boy, man, get back to work on the man a deputy soup, sir. What? Boy. Yeah, so we have come to the end, talking with this patriot. Yeah, this is a policeman, who had to, he had to run away from Jamaica because to save his life, not from criminals, but from police officers, because that's how it is, in Jamaica. You understand? So Jamaica is a criminal's paradise, I remember when I was a police officer. Police officer could testify easily against other criminal police officers. I didn't have to run away. But as time goes by, as the police and the criminals them get intertwined and embedded, boy, police officers have to run away. And guess what? It's when they run away, say if the police force not in business with them. So that's why the crime, police just sittings, they don't say anything and they just ride with the thing because they don't have to live. I just saw it go. Because you don't know when somebody will shoot in your back of your head. So that's why, right through my career as a police officer, it was just a few police officers that I trusted. Especially one. So it's just good. It's just good when you surround yourself with people and you know them character and them integrity and them reputation and what they will do from what they won't do. As I've said before earlier, yes, the most corrupt police officers have been promoted under this former fake commissioner of police, Anthony Anderson. He's not a police officer. And it's really, really sad, to see how many corrupt police officers we know, and even other police officers who are in charge of other police officers, junior police officers. Oh, on God's earth, when you're a junior know say you're a corrupt police officer, you're a thief, and you're in charge of them. I don't know how them deal with that. As me, I could not. That's why that's why cowboy and ox them like me, because I tell them, say, hey, you can't supervise me, because I told a thief. Me know that for a fact. And when you as a junior can't tell your senior that, and them cannot do you anything. But when them have to do have to conjure and get people, other people will tell lie on you, because them can't file nothing against you, because them can't do it themselves, So them get other people and manufacture lies against you. You understand? Because them know say them are criminal. But if you're a criminal, you're not supposed to vex somebody say you're a criminal. Period. You understand? We're not talking about no slander or no defamation of character or libel. We're talking about truth. If you know say you're a thief and you understand, and somebody say you're a thief, you're not supposed to vex. Why you vex say you're a thief? It's just like even, you understand, even a police officer remind me of them own squaddy when they say, boy, I look at all them man, all them man are corrupt. And the man up forget soup and look on Gunter a good police and still a detective inspector. Because Gunter no thief. Gunter no connected to no political party. Gunter no rob nobody coke. Gunter wasn't one of own Ellington boy. Gunter never work with schoolboy Richie and rob coke and sell how much government gun and government vehicle. And guns never wasn't a part of a special team where they just go around and rob people and then them rob them carry back get Owen Ellington film cut. I remember say Owen Ellington never know in my commissioner of police, you know, what you do expect? You expect the corruption to go away. Unless you're an idiot and them thing there, you understand? If you are from a family and them thing there. When I say everybody because them come from a criminal family means them a criminal. You have people where, you know, different part, but based on what happened with this man before he was ascended to the chair, you know, say him himself too, yeah, him share there, so what you expect? You know, so let's hold the breath and see what go happen with the Jamaica Constabulary Force. I don't know how we reach this point where we just have this one whole heap of thief in our police force, and it's like they have been lauded, celebrated and promoted, and the good police officers, they are left there in the cold by the upper echelon of the police force. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.